two words you will come across today are clockwise and counterclockwise. This will tell you which way to spin the shape. So if something is turning in a clockwise direction, they are going in the direction that the hands on a clock go. If something is going to be turned counterclockwise, it means it's turning the other way than the way the hands move on the clock. The other words you are going to be hearing today is a quarter turn. So if I started at the 12 o'clock, that means I am turning and ending at the 3. So that is a quarter turn or 90-degree turn. If you continued turning and you did a half a turn around the clock, so that would be a half turn, so you would be facing the exact opposite way. That is 180 because 90 plus 90 is 180. If you went 3/4 of the way around the clock, that is a 3/4 turn or 270 degrees. And a trick question is if they spin something 360 degrees, you end up exactly where you started. No change has been made. When they have an object to move, they will tell you which corner is being pinned down. Okay, so that means that that corner can't move, and then they will spin it. Let's say it was 90 degrees clockwise or a quarter turn. I'm going to try not to make it bigger, but then they would move it so that corner stays the same, so then it would be at that position.